This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Loren van Korbach. Peaceful and quiet cul-de-sac living. Meticulously maintained one-level easy living 3-bed plus den/office. Could be a 4th bedroom. Home at a wonderful location close to schools, parks, and walking trails. Open and inviting floor plan featuring 9 ceilings, custom-built cabinets, granite counters, stainless appliances, hardwood floors, gas fireplace, plus air conditioner. Master bath has attached bath ensuite plus a walk-in closet. The sun-drenched backyard is the ideal place to grow your favorite vegetables or barbecue from on the patio, and it comes with in-ground irrigation and a storage shed. Built-in storage above the garage plus extra parking on driveway. For more information, review the details below.